Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most beautiful modern café racers ever built, the Triumph Thruxton RS. This machine blends timeless racing heritage with serious modern performance, creating a motorcycle that looks classic but rides like a true sport bike. At first glance, the Thruxton RS is pure café racer perfection. The sculpted fuel tank, low clip-on handlebars, sleek rear seat cowl, and minimal tail section give it that authentic 1960s British racing vibe. It's aggressive, low, and purpose-built. Every line flows smoothly from front to back, giving it a fast, aerodynamic profile even when standing still. Underneath that retro styling lies a powerful 1200cc high-performance parallel twin engine. Tuned for stronger output than the standard Bonneville models, the RS delivers impressive horsepower and torque. The throttle response is sharp and direct, offering thrilling acceleration that feels alive and responsive. Twist the throttle, and you immediately feel the sporty character. One of the biggest upgrades on the Thruxton RS is its premium suspension setup. It features fully adjustable Showa upside-down front forks and high-end Öhlins twin rear shocks. This combination delivers excellent stability at high speeds and sharp handling through corners. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising through city streets, the bike feels precise and planted. Braking performance is equally impressive. Dual Brembo front disc brakes provide strong stopping power with excellent feel and control. Combined with ABS and traction control, the Thruxton RS offers modern safety features without compromising its classic look. The riding position is more aggressive compared to traditional roadsters. The low clip-on handlebars and rear set foot controls put you in a sporty stance, giving better control during spirited riding. While it may not be as relaxed as a standard cruiser, it perfectly suits riders who enjoy performance-focused machines. Visually, the Thruxton RS stands out for its premium detailing. Brushed aluminum components, classic tank badging, polished engine fins, and high-quality paint finishes reflect true British craftsmanship. The single-seat cowl enhances its café racer authenticity, while the twin exhaust system produces a deep, refined exhaust note that adds to the overall riding experience. Modern technology is subtly integrated into the design. The dual analog style gauges feature hidden digital displays, offering ride information without ruining the vintage aesthetic. Ride-by-wire throttle and selectable riding modes allow riders to adjust performance characteristics based on road conditions. The Triumph Thruxton RS is not just about looks, it delivers real performance. It combines heritage design, premium components, and exciting power in one complete package. If you're searching for the ultimate modern café racer with authentic British style and serious performance upgrades, the Thruxton RS deserves your attention.